Had water coming out from underneath this Amana dishwasher, and went ahead and took the screws out that were holding it in, unplugged it, and shut the water off and pulled it out, and then noticed or plugged it back in and let it start its cycle, and then the water was shooting out of this connection here. This tube was slightly crushed on the end and it wasn't in there far enough, so then relocated this clamp up about, I don't know, 1/4 inch or so, and now it seems to be sealed pretty well.